Today is the 2nd of April, and it's a Thursday. Welcome to Dex Fx Markets. Let's move on to our signal results. Okay, here are our dailies. Scrolling down, for the last 24 hours, 8 are at 100% and 2 ones at 66.7% and the other is at 75%. That's the AUJPY and AUDUSD. For the last 7 days, the lowest asset statistic, 85.7. Yeah, 85.7, that's the AUDJPY. And for the last 30 days, everything is at 90% plus, which is absolutely superb, as that's where I collect my data from when using the CDUM bot. Moving on to the 1 hour TNT, that's trend, negate and trade. Everything's at 100%, bar one that hasn't yet fired off, which is a Great British Pound JPY. But again, we don't just fire off signals to fill the page. You know, we have to make sure we're near 100% as we possibly can. Right, for the last week, that's 7 days, the lowest statistic is 83.3, and again that's a Great British Pound JPY, but it would be as we've had nothing far off in the last 24 hours. Moving on to the month, 30 days, the lowest asset statistic I believe is 84.8. Just double checking that. Yep, 84.8. That's the AUDUSD. A superb 30 days for most certainly. Okay, the 2 hour. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4. Haven't yet fired off with the 2 hour signals. And the lowest statistic obviously is the 0 because it's not fired off, but it's the Euro USD at 33.3. Now for the last 7 days, the lowest asset statistic is 66.7, and that's the AUDJPY. And for the last 30 days, USD CAD at 75%. Otherwise, all the rest are looking superb. Okay, moving on to the little beastie here, which is the 5 minutes. Look at that, 132 have fired off in the last 24 hours. But moving down, the lowest statistic is the USD JPY at 88.9. That's for the last 24 hours. For the last week, everything is within the 90% and above. And for the last 30 days, there is nothing lower than 93.2. That's the Euro JPY. But again, that's the 5 minute trading, so absolutely superb. Okay, moving back to the home page. If you stumbled across this video, please go to our YouTube channel and like it. We'd much appreciate that. That way we can keep you up to date with everything that's happening within the Dex Fx Markets world. And of course, check out our Dex Atomic because it is now free for all. This is Paul signing off. Have a superb day, fantastic week. Trade safely, trade well. Bye for now.